know how French fries are made in factories? Or you can also say the Belgian fries for those who know the history. Hey there, it may come as a surprise, but every golden French fry from McDonald's begins its journey on a vast potato farm. Fast food fries from McDonald's are famed for their golden hue, ideal crisp, and unparalleled flavor. Can someone tell me how to make these fries? How is it ensured that each batch is of the same excellent quality? The interesting history of McDonald's French fries will be revealed in this story. Every stage, from planting and harvesting to processing in the factory and cooking in the restaurant, showcases ingenuity, precision, and attention to detail. Let's jump right in. Originally served as a substitute for potato chips on the original menu, McDonald's French fries first appeared in 1949. They have become an integral part of the fast food industry over the years. Fries from McDonald's used to be hand-cut and fried in animal fat. But as taste changed, the chain adapted by using healthier oils and more contemporary production methods without sacrificing the fries' signature flavor. With millions of servings served every day, they have become a global sensation today. The uniformity of McDonald's French fries is due to the use of carefully chosen potato cultivars, including Shepherdie and Russet Burbank. Fries with a crispy outside and a fluffy interior are the product of potatoes with a high starch content and a low moisture level. Locations of the farms. McDonald's partners with expansive farms in states known for having the best conditions for growing potatoes, such as Washington and Idaho. Quality and yield are guaranteed on these farms by means of modern farming techniques. To help achieve McDonald's environmental goals, several of its suppliers are implementing sustainable farming practices, such as rotating crops and using less water. Envision a landscape where verdant potato plants stretch out before you, their leaves rustling in the wind. Thousands of potatoes are lying under the earth, waiting to be dug up. Machines designed for this task delicately remove the potatoes from the ground, taking care not to bruise them. The potatoes are tossed into storage bins as the dirt is shook off, preparing them for the trip to the processing plant. Big vehicles with climate control take the potatoes from the field to the truck. Using these vehicles guarantees that the potatoes will stay fresh and unharmed while they are in transportation, extending their quality. The true metamorphosis starts when they reach the processing facility. Entering the plant, the beating heart of the operation, is next on the agenda. Here, the average potato starts its remarkable rise to fame as the most renowned French fry in the world. The potatoes are met with enormous industrial washers as they enter the plant. Envision a potato-themed version of a vehicle wash. These vehicles use high-pressure water jets to clear the ground of rocks, dirt, and other debris. To make sure not a single bit of dirt ends up in the finished product, it's a meticulous cleaning. The peeling process follows. Using high-speed peeling equipment, the cleaned potatoes are fed. Picture this, a huge spinning drum with rough surfaces all over it. The potato skins are delicately scraped off while the drum rotates, revealing the smooth, pale tubers that are prepared for the following stage. It is common practice to utilize steam in this area to soften the skins prior to abrasion in order to facilitate more rapid and efficient peeling. The potatoes go from the peeling station to the cutting machinery via a series of conveyor belts. The engineering behind these machines is quite remarkable. Think of a grid of extremely sharp blades being used to rapidly slice a potato. The potato is perfectly sliced into fry-sized strips in an instant. For later even frying, it is essential that the fries be uniform in size and shape, which is achieved by calibrating the cutting equipment. The level of accuracy is what really gets under my skin. Every single fry is checked using high-speed cameras to make sure it matches McDonald's high standards. To keep waste to a minimum, any material that doesn't pass muster is put to other purposes. Blanching is the next critical step in transforming the freshly cut fries. Fries are blanched when they are briefly cooked in boiling water. This step is useful for more than one thing. As a result, the fries retain their signature golden color and don't become discolored, thanks to the removal of superfluous sugars and carbohydrates. Fries are cooked as well, inside and out, by the heat, which softens them without changing their structure. After blanching is finished, the fries are quickly chilled to halt frying. This rapid shift in temperature fixes their texture and gets them ready for the following step. Do you ever ponder the secret ingredient behind McDonald's perfectly crisp fries? The key is in letting it dry. Massive industrial dryers are used to finish the fries after blanching. These devices remove extra moisture from the fries by blowing heated air over them. The last thing you want is for your fries to be soggy, so this is a crucial step. The fries' distinctive crunch is set in motion by the drying process, which prepares them for the first frying. The pre-frying step follows. The dry fries are cooked to perfection by immersing them in a mixture of vegetable oils. The fries get their light golden color and flavor from this partial frying step. At this point, they begin to take on the appearance of the beloved French fries. Fast food giant McDonald's has experimented with several different frying oils throughout the years. In keeping with current dietary trends, the fries are no longer cooked in cow tallow, but rather in a combination of healthier vegetable oils. In order to appeal to clients who are concerned about their health, this adjustment has preserved the classic taste. The fries are flash frozen at very low temperatures after they have been pre-fried. Preserving is the focus of this stage. By putting them in the freezer, the fries maintain their texture and flavor all the way to the restaurants. Imagine a scene where golden fries, laden on conveyor belts, slide into chilling tunnels and are quickly chilled to perfection. Maintaining high standards of quality is critical throughout the entire procedure. The fries are constantly being checked for size, shape, and texture by means of high-tech cameras and sensors. Fries are taken off the line if they don't match McDonald's exacting standards. This painstaking process selects only the finest fries for further processing. Branded bags are used to pack the frozen fries in a way that keeps them fresh. Refrigerated trucks are filled with these bags once they are sealed and branded. Fries for McDonald's outlets all over the nation are delivered by this extensive network of trucks. The fries are delivered in top shape since the travel from the manufacturer to the restaurant is quick and efficient. Now, we've reached the last stop on our journey, the McDonald's kitchen. The fries are kept in the restaurant's freezers until they're ready to be cooked. Small batches of perfectly fried fries are prepared for each order that comes in. This last process of frying is carried out in fryers that have been specifically constructed to guarantee uniform cooking. Lightly sprinkled with McDonald's distinctive salt blend, the fries are released from the fryer. With careful attention to detail, this seasoning phase guarantees that every fry is salted to perfection. Fries are prepared and supplied fresh and crispy to customers' delight in just a few minutes. Minimizing its negative effects on the environment is a top priority for McDonald's. The initiative aims to decrease water consumption in potato growing, investigate the feasibility of renewable energy sources for their operations, and encourage suppliers to implement sustainable farming techniques. Across the world, McDonald's serves more than 9 million pounds of fries daily. A unique dextrose solution used during manufacturing to bring out their golden hue is also responsible for their delicious flavor. Due to their widespread popularity, fries consistently rank among the top meals featured in Instagram food photos. Every year, McDonald's uses more than 4 billion pounds of potatoes in their processing. Curious about how McDonald's fries are always so perfectly done? If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, please subscribe to our channel and give it a like. Healthier oils. Meeting customer demand for healthier options required a huge challenge: the transition to trans fat-free oils. Efficiency and quality control in potato processing are being enhanced through the application of advanced robotics and AI. In an effort to lessen its impact on the environment, McDonald's is looking into biodegradable packaging for its fry containers. Working together with farmers to implement sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation and soil health improvements, can increase productivity while reducing environmental harm. Which McDonald's menu item do you prefer the most? Tell us what you think in the comments section and spread the word by sharing this video. A French fry goes through an incredible medley of farming, science, and technology on its way from the fields of Idaho to the fryer near you. The goal is to have the ideal fry. Therefore, every stage, from planting to harvesting to processing to cooking, is deliberate.
Imagine a place so secure even top executives don't have open access. The true flavor of KFC lies within its legendary secret recipe, a blend of 11 herbs and spices hidden behind layers of security. Locked away in a high-tech vault, this recipe has become as iconic as the brand itself, representing a legacy of flavor so guarded that only a select few hold its full secret. This vault symbolizes not just security, but also the dedication KFC has to maintaining the Colonel's original vision, ensuring that the unique taste remains consistent and authentic across the globe. Before we dive into the secret world behind KFC's iconic fried chicken, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single episode as we uncover the hidden processes behind your favorite foods from around the world. Colonel Harlan Sanders' story is one of grit, determination, and culinary innovation. He wasn't just a founder, but the heart and soul behind KFC. Sanders poured his life into perfecting fried chicken, elevating it from a Southern staple to a global phenomenon. His commitment and passion for quality set KFC apart, creating a brand that embodies his values and standards. Sanders remains a legend, not just for the recipe he created, but for the spirit of perseverance he represents, inspiring the entire KFC franchise to maintain the high standards he set. Born in 1890, Sanders' childhood in Indiana was anything but easy. Losing his father at a young age forced him into work, taking odd jobs to support his family. From farming and firefighting to working as a streetcar conductor and insurance salesman, Sanders' journey was fraught with challenges. Despite these struggles, he never lost sight of his dream. His resilience through these hardships shaped his character and built the foundation of his entrepreneurial spirit. This background is what drove him to pursue his vision with unbreakable determination. In 1930, Sanders opened a small gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he began cooking fried chicken for weary travelers. Word quickly spread about his uniquely flavored, crispy chicken, and soon Sanders' service station transformed into a modest yet beloved roadside restaurant. His reputation soared, and he received the honorary title of Kentucky Colonel for his contribution to Kentucky's culinary landscape. This humble beginning in Corbin was the spark that would ignite a global fried chicken phenomenon. KFC partners with farms globally to ensure high-quality, ethically raised chickens. They maintain rigorous standards for food safety, animal welfare, and environmental responsibility. These farms span across countries like the US, UK, and Ireland, upholding KFC's promise of using only the finest ingredients. This global network allows KFC to bring its iconic flavor to customers worldwide, backed by quality and care in every bite. KFC takes animal welfare seriously. As part of their commitment to ethical standards, they have pledged to make 100% of their chicken cage-free by 2026. As of 2024, 25% of their chickens in major markets are already raised cage-free. This dedication to humane practices reflects KFC's responsibility towards animals, customers, and the environment, setting an industry standard for quality and ethics. These practices ensure that the chicken served at KFC is not only delicious, but also responsibly sourced. KFC works with suppliers to provide chickens with humane living conditions. This includes access to natural light, adequate space, and a healthy diet free from hormones. These practices ensure that chickens are raised in a stress-free environment, leading to better health and a higher quality product. By prioritizing the well-being of the animals, KFC guarantees that its chicken is not only tasty, but also raised responsibly, aligning with the values of today's conscious consumers. Quality assurance is paramount. Each chicken goes through a series of rigorous inspections to ensure it meets KFC's high standards before it reaches processing plants. These inspections are crucial in maintaining quality, ensuring that only the best products make it to the restaurants. KFC's strict quality control measures reflect their dedication to providing customers with safe, delicious food, adding another layer of trust to the brand. Once chickens pass inspection, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to eliminate any contaminants. KFC's processing plants adhere to strict hygiene standards, minimizing the risk of cross-contamination. These sanitation practices are essential in delivering safe, high-quality food to customers. By following stringent hygiene protocols, KFC ensures that every piece of chicken is handled with care and precision. KFC uses advanced technology to cut each chicken into standardized portions, ensuring uniform quality and portion sizes across all locations. This precision cutting not only maintains consistency, but also enhances the dining experience by providing evenly sized pieces that are easier to cook and enjoy. This level of detail reinforces KFC's commitment to quality, ensuring that every meal served meets the brand's high standards. Freshness is key. KFC chills its chicken to preserve its natural texture and flavor. By avoiding freezing in many regions, KFC ensures that its chicken retains its premium quality, delivering a product that tastes fresh and satisfying. This chilling process is a testament to KFC's dedication to maintaining the highest standards, providing customers with the freshest fried chicken possible. To keep the chicken fresh during transit, KFC employs strict temperature controls, ensuring the product remains at the optimal temperature until it reaches the restaurant. This meticulous process prevents spoilage and maintains the chicken's quality, ensuring customers receive a product that meets KFC's standards. These transportation practices highlight KFC's attention to detail, making sure that each piece of chicken is perfect when it arrives at its destination. The chicken undergoes a final inspection by KFC staff to confirm it meets quality standards. Once approved, it is stored under refrigerated conditions until it's ready for cooking. This last layer of inspection ensures that only the best chicken is served, reinforcing KFC's commitment to quality and consistency from farm to table. KFC's breading process is an art in itself. The chicken is dipped in cold water and then coated in a special blend of seasoned flour, which contains the famous 11 herbs and spices. This method ensures an even coating, creating that signature crispy texture and unforgettable flavor. The breading process is carefully designed to deliver a consistent, mouth-watering experience, capturing the essence of KFC in every bite. Pressure frying is a technique Sanders pioneered, allowing the chicken to cook faster while sealing in moisture. This method creates a crispy, golden exterior while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Pressure frying is essential to KFC's texture, making each piece of chicken irresistibly delicious. This unique cooking process, combined with the secret recipe, is what gives KFC its finger-licking good flavor.
You might be surprised to learn that the United States imports and processes thousands of tons of Himalayan pink salt every year to meet the growing demand. This unique salt isn't just another seasoning. It's a symbol of health and wellness, celebrated for its rich mineral content and distinctive flavor. With over 42 million tons of various salts produced and imported annually, Himalayan pink salt stands out as a favorite. But what makes it so special? Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey showing how this ancient treasure is processed in state-of-the-art American factories, transforming raw salt chunks into the fine crystals you use every day. Let's get started. Before we dive into the journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes stories about how your favorite foods are made. The story of Himalayan pink salt begins deep within the ancient Kira salt mine in Pakistan, a geological marvel nestled at the foothills of the Himalayan mountain range. This mine isn't just any salt mine, it's a historic treasure with origins dating back over 250 million years. Back then, vast prehistoric oceans covered this region,